Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI on Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So this is helpful if you want to know how sensitive your mouse is, especially for gaming, editing, or normal computer use. First, open up your browser and go to Mouse DPI Analyzer, and on the website, enter the distance that you want to move your mouse, like 5 inches or a few centimeters. Then click and hold inside the testing area. Move your mouse in a straight line using that distance and release it. After that, the website will show your DPI result. And once you're done with the website, you can also check your mouse settings on Windows and go to Settings. Then open Bluetooth and Devices and click Mouse. And from there, you can adjust the mouse pointer speed. So this does not always show the exact DPI number, but it helps you control how fast or slow your cursor moves. Try the website test a few times so that you can get a more accurate result. And thank you so much for watching. That is it for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.